Alright guys, welcome back again to my studio, and as you can see, this video is not going to be an RC video. This will be a how-to tutorial on how to make a Lego Nerf gun that actually shoots. And as you can see, it's very small and can fit in your pocket. It can break at times, but it is fairly durable for what most people would do with it. So in just 1 second, I'll take this thing entirely apart and show you what pieces you need to make this. Alright guys, so I have taken it all the way apart, and these are all the pieces you will need. You will need a Lego cannon, a spring-loaded cannon, of course your launcher for the cannon, and chutes. So you'll need those. You'll need 4 of these longish pieces, or if you don't have these, you can just stack up a bunch of smaller ones. But you'll need some of those. You'll need 2 of these 1x4s. So, and then you'll need these little 1x2s, and they have to be the Technique ones that have that little cross thing in the middle, because you're going to need this little Technique cross-beam thing to hold your cannon in. You will need these 2x4s, you'll need 1 of them to help strengthen durability. You'll need this and this piece. I forgot what these are called, but you'll need ones that are like this, that have the cross there, and this piece on the front. And these will be for your trigger, for your cannon, because as you can see it's straight out and that's not going to work. So you'll need those. You will need these flat 1x6s, 2 of them, for the bottom so your gun can stand up and to strengthen durability. You will need a flat 2x4. You will need a flat 2x6, and that is all of the pieces you will need to make this. Fairly simple. So now I will show you a speed build of it. You can slow this video down if you need to, but I'll build it up and I'll show you guys the finished product.
Just stick this piece right through here, and you stick this piece straight through like that, and you get this sort of thing, and put these 2 pieces together, put that on the end of the cannon like that, take these pieces, connect them up in the middle by using these. You connect all 4 of them up, and you'll get something like that, and you stick this piece here on the bottom of it, and you'll stick both of them on. You'll get this sort of frame looking thing, so set that frame aside. Well, then you just have to build up on it. Put these 2 bricks on top. Take your cannon, and I have actually mounted these up upside down, so I have to flip those around so that we can drop the cannon straight down into there. Like so, as you can see, it is coming together. Stick this brick on the back here, and this brick up top on here, and ta-da! You have a Lego cannon.
And one more thing I forgot to mention is how far this shoots. Check this out. This is the same gun that I showed you in the video. No modifications, the same exact thing you saw in this video. Watch how far this thing shoots. Keep in mind, this is just made out of Legos. All the way to that door over there. I have to say, not bad. Not bad at all. Thanks for that. Alright guys, so I have built the cannon, and I hope you enjoyed that little speed build there. Like I said, you can slow it down if you need to, or pause the video. But as you can see, this looks pretty sweet. And the nice thing about it is it actually shoots. So that is how to make a Lego Nerf gun. I hope you enjoyed this video. More awesome things to come. More run videos, more tutorials. I'll make some tutorials on how to make some working vending machines and stuff out of Lego. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and see you next time.